Welcome back, lawn and lifers. Don't think I like that too much. Let's try it again. Howdy folks, Chris with the Lawn and Life. Welcome back to the most popular lawn care YouTube channel that's based in Alabama that is approximately 120 subscribers or less. You're not gonna find a better one. It is humid here in Birmingham, Alabama. I mean, it is thick. You could almost cut it with a knife and take a bite out of it. It's so thick. We had a lot of rain the past couple of days. Starting to get hot, humid, so you know what that means. Time to get fungus and disease control down. All right, disease control. Touching my hat, Amy. That's my wife. She always says I touch my hat when I'm filming videos. Anyway, you got to get on this before the fungus and disease start. You can't wait till it starts because then it's too late. I was behind last year, and then I had some type of disease and fungus grow up around my natural area, and it just ruined my lawn right there for most of the summer. Let me go show you where. Last year, right around here, I had some disease start growing, and by the time I got something down, the grass died, and it was just a bare spot here for probably a month and a half, 2 months, and it just looked terrible when the rest of the grass was green. What I did last year, once I started having the issues, I just got some of this and sprayed it down. This prevents and cures whatever disease you have going on. You got controls brown patch, dollar spot, rust, summer patch, several other things that I sprayed in that area. What I'm gonna do this year, I'm gonna do a two-step process, more than a two-step process, but I'm using two products. I'm using Scott's Disease X, it's a granular. I'm just to put that down today to go ahead and get it in the soil. Alright, so this Scott's Disease X prevents brown patch, stem and stripe rust, red thread, powdery mildew, summer patch, fairy ring, snow mold, spring dead spot, COVID-19. I'll be putting this down today. Most of these products are only good for about 30 days. This one says controls up to 4 weeks. So this is not going to be some one-time thing you can put down that controls the whole summer. So today we're putting down the granular, and then 30 days from now, let me show you what we're putting down. In 30 days from now, we'll be putting down this Advanced Fungus Control. This is a liquid, just spray and ready. Hook it to your water hose and spray it on your lawn. You're going to may ask, why are you using different products? And the reason I want to do that is a lot of these funguses and diseases, just like with anything, and I guess it's just your health. A lot of these diseases can become resilient if you're putting the same type of fungus control down every single time. So I like to switch it up a little bit. These have different active ingredients. So I like to put a granular down today. Like I said, I'll put this down next month, and I will alternate while it's hot and humid. And then once it gets back into the fall, probably around September, I won't have to worry about putting anything else down. In this Advanced, the active ingredient is propraconazole, and this Scott's Disease X, it is, I'm not even sure how to pronounce that. You have to ask Lawn Care Nut how to pronounce that one. Somebody smarter than me. As I said with the grub control video a couple of videos ago, you have to decide, do you want to prevent or do you want to treat when you already have the problems? It's important with grub control, but for sure when you have lawn and disease and fungus, I want to prevent it. I do not want to wait till I have a problem like I did last year. I made that mistake. Once you get it, it is very hard to get rid of. So, what's wrong?
There's a bug.
A bug? You do not want to wait till you have the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and get it down now. First off, I'm going to give the lawn a quick cut. Then I'll be putting the Scott's Disease X granular down. How about the lawn is looking fine? Fine. Can you see that? I put iron down about a week ago, and it was really dark and popping. I like to put it down about once every 4 weeks or so. But she is looking good. All right, that'll do it. Got the side yard taken care of. Now I'm gonna work on the front yard, getting it cut and getting the Scott's Disease X down on it. Just remember, whatever product you use, just remember that most of them are only gonna be good for about 30 days. So while it's hot and humid in your area, reapply, so you can prevent it from starting. Whew, it's hot, guys. Summer is here in Alabama. It's so humid. I'll put links for both these products in the description below. There's a lot of good products, but these you can just get from a big box store, and they seem to work. So I'll put links. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Like the video, unlike the video. Follow me on other social media. Instagram, Facebook, you can find me there, and thelawnandlife.com. I appreciate you watching. This is Chris with The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a great weekend. Question. I'm a big sports fan. I'm assuming most of y'all are too. We got college football ramping up. We got NFL coming back. Hopefully we got baseball started. What is, in your opinion, the best sports movie of all time? I'll go and let you know mine. Sandlot. I love baseball. In my opinion, that is the best sports movie ever. I know it's more of a kid's movie, but I think it just crosses generational bounds of fans. You got Wendy Peppercorn, You're Killing Me Smalls. It's just America. Just America. Anyway, comment below. Let me know what your favorite sports movie is. Thanks, guys.